Making ogbono soup today. So these are the ogbono and the ingredients I will be using for this ogbono soup. You are welcome to Joy Cooking Show. If today is your first time coming to this my channel, you are very welcome, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you as you do so. Watch out and see the full video of this cooking. So it's time to start cooking this ogbono. Right now we'll be adding this meat. And we'll add a little bit of water for the stock to cook the soup. So right now I will add all the ingredients for this soup. So this soup, I'm going to be making it with less oil. So this is the seasoning, has seasoning to it. Then I will add salt. Then I will add turmeric powder. Let it simmer for at least 10 minutes before we cook and add everything to it. So it's time to grind this ogbono. These are all the ogbono. I have to grind them. I'll add crayfish. These are the crayfish. Add enough crayfish to it. Some pepper. Very smooth. So this is the ogbono already grind. So watch out and see how I am going to cook this soup, this delicious ogbono soup. So the meat is already boiling. So these are all the meat. Right now, what we're gonna do is to add oil to this very soup. So these are the oil. So now I'm gonna be adding this ogbono. This is the ogbono. To it. These are the ogbono. It's gonna thick, and you're gonna this is the ogbono. You can see the ogbono. If it's too thick, you can add water to it. So now these are the ogbono. You can see how it is. So right now I'm gonna be adding these are boga fish, dried one. These are mackerel. These are mackerel fish. all the soup. Very well prepared. So now just gonna taste this soup before I will know if it's to adjust it. Everything is very okay, so nothing to adjust here. So let it cook for at least another 5 minutes before we will add the leaf. So the soup is well ready now. I have to put this leaf. This is a green leaf. It's spinach, green spinach. This is how you make tasty, delicious ogbono soup. This is it. You can see how slimy it is. Authentic ogbono soup. It's so good. This is a whole pot of soup. Please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show, and in another 1 minute we'll take it off from the fire. You can see how this wonderful soup is. It's ready. It's time to serve. If today is your first time coming to my channel, please subscribe to this channel and also share this video. Thank you, and watch out to see how I serve this soup. Thank you for now. So this is the ogbono. It's already cooked. It's time to serve it. So this is it. Now I have to serve it with a native pot. Okay. How delicious this ogbono is. Please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. This is our delicacy from Edo State. This is it. This is the ogbono soup, and I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you for now. Bye.